Hi, and welcome to our AeonLaser NL showroom. Today I'm going to show you a really cool feature in LightBurn called Print and Cut. Print and Cut is a feature where when you have printed artwork coming from a UV printer or other printer which has registration marks, and you want to get very precise alignment to make sure you cut out perfectly, you can use the Print and Cut feature in LightBurn. So I've printed a very simple image today with 3 little dogs and 2 crosses, and the crosses are the registration marks. What I've printed I can randomly place inside the machine, and the positioning doesn't really matter. The reason for this is with the Print and Cut feature in LightBurn, we're going to go and find the registration marks, and with that we can make sure everything is aligned perfectly. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to move the laser head over to the first registration mark. So you've got to carefully jog, and it's also very important to make sure that your job is in focus for when you start cutting. And this helps make sure your red dot is also beautifully positioned on your cross. If it's a little difficult to jog on the keypad, you can go in LightBurn and you can use the move command, and you can set the distance to a very small distance, such as 0.2 millimeters, and instead of continuous you can just pulse jog it and get it perfectly centered with your cross. When you're happy with your position, we go into LightBurn and we go into our laser tools. In laser tools there is the Print and Cut feature, and we can start the wizard. For this wizard it's very important our registration marks are grouped. So you're going to select the registration marks and group them. Select the registration mark and group them. And then when you start the wizard, everything should run very happily. So we've already jogged the machine to the first registration mark. I can select it here and click Set. You can see the red ring, so it knows that is the correct one. We're going to move to the second registration mark. And when you're happy with that position as well, then we can click Set here in LightBurn. As we're not quite sure what size our printer has printed to, we're going to click Scaled, and then we are certain that everything is correct. Under Cuts and Layers you can double check the registration marks are set to Not Output, and the rest of your job is. Now you can choose to offset your output so that it's cut inside or outside of your printer, of your printed file, but as it is, we just want to show the precision of the machine. We're going to close the lid, and as it is a TUV certified machine, we are going to press the reset button. Once everything is happy, we can choose to start from LightBurn or send it to the machine and press start on the machine. As these jobs are all individual and this is quite a small job, I'm going to just press the start button. As it is paper, we definitely want to make sure our air pressure is a little bit low to make sure it doesn't fly away. We're currently using about 3 psi for this job. There we go, with the job done. The machine says everything's happy, so the lights are green. And it's definitely finished, the lights are white. And with that also the extractor fan turns off. And there you go. This is our cutout images. And these could be stickers, for example, or it could be on wood or on acrylic. And with that you get these beautiful cut printouts precisely of what you've printed in whatever scale it has ended up as. Thanks for watching.